Hey, have you wondered who exactly is this Seven Peaks Fence and Barn Company and what products do they offer? Well, in this video, we're going to show you exactly who we are, what we offer. So let's stay tuned, take a walk with me, and we'll show you all our products. Alright, well let's start this off with our very first product that we ever made here at Seven Peaks Fence Barn. That's our continuous fence. Now how this all got started was we were actually out installing custom fence, barns, arenas, stalls, shade kits for all types of people throughout Arizona. We had a customer who reached out to us, bought some of this continuous fence, brought it in from out of state and had us install it. What was so cool about it, we were blown away at how quickly it was installed, how easy it was, the different customizations that you could do with it, that we were blown away, and we had to provide that for everybody in Arizona, and that's where we started a company in Arizona. So we started manufacturing continuous fence. Now we offer 4, 5, and 6 rail continuous fence here at Seven Peaks Fence and Barn. They're all 1.25" 14 gauge. They've got 5 flat straps, and they're all 20 feet by 48 inches high, but you can see when you put them off the ground, you can make a 5-foot fence. And what I love about this product is it's so customizable. You can make it certain heights, different lengths, you can use clips and screws, you can weld it, so many different options for you to install your horse and livestock fencing. So that is our first product that we've started manufacturing, and then really it just led us into all our other products that we offer, and next was really our horse panels. So let me talk to you about our horse panels. So quickly after we started manufacturing full-time continuous fence, we had a lot of people asking about horse panels. So we're like, well shoot, if we're offering continuous fence, we got to start offering horse panels. And so we started with our 4 and 5 rail standard panels out of the same material, 1.25" 14 gauge, and we have 1 5/8" posts for our posts. All of our panels are mounted with panel clamps for an easy connection to install portable horse and livestock fencing. So what was so cool about that is it gave another product for our customers. Again, as our focus is easy do-it-yourself horse and livestock fencing so that anybody can install, this was another one of those products. So 4 and 5 rail standard panels is what we started out with, and for the first year and a half, all we made was 4 and 5 rail continuous fence and 4 and 5 rail standard panels. But we had a lot of people ask us about a heavier duty product for the Mustangs, for BLM, for trainings, for higher fencing, and that's where we came out with our 6 rail, 5 and 6 rail heavy duty panels. Hey guys, if you like what you see in our videos, if you love our company, be sure to like and subscribe for more great horse and livestock fencing tips and tricks. Alright, so with the heavy duty products that we started manufacturing, as you can see here, we started off with our 6 feet high, all 1 5/8" with a nice middle support for a nice heavy duty product. We had a lot of people adopting Mustangs and who were trainers, and we didn't offer those types of products for those customers, and this allowed us to reach those customers, and everybody's been extremely happy with our heavy duty lineup. Now with this lineup and all of our lineup, our 4 and 5 rail standard panels, our 5 and 6 rail heavy duty, we obviously, as you can see here, provide kits, easy kits for round pens, for stall kits, for arenas. As you can see here, this is one of our our round pens. So our round pens come in 40, 50, and 60-foot sizes for the different needs and all of our panel options. So our round pens, and then obviously we provide our stall kits. We sell a lot of stall kits. So we've got our 10 by 20 and our 20 by 20 stall kits. You can customize them. Again, super cool about all of our products, very customizable. You can add as many side by side as you want, 10 by 20 or 20 by 20. We've got them available in all of our panel options, 4 and 5 rail standard, 5 and 6 rail heavy duty. We had so many people saying, hey, do you guys provide shade for your stall kits? And we did not. So we knew we had to provide these stall kits, and we designed these stall kits to go specifically for our panels in our 10x20 and our 20x20 stall kits. So as you can see here, this is one for our 20x20, and we actually have two 10x20s that technically make a 20x20 with a shade that covers half of it, 10x20 shade. Super easy to install, very customizable, like I said. And then we added some wood. Everybody wants to add wood to their panels. So guys, we provided some customized clamps, as you can see here, to easily attach wood to your panels. So, you know, our purpose here at Seven Peaks Fence Barn is to make horse and livestock fencing easy to install. And guys, what you guys recommend to us is what we try so hard to provide for all of you. Add wood, add shade, easy fencing. That's what we're here for. So, stall kits, round pens, and then it drove us into our next product, and we're gonna jump right into that. All right, then after a few years after really just selling those products was round pens, stall kits, arenas in our 4 different panel options and our continuous fence. We had a lot of people wanting our travel panels or wanting travel panels that we did not offer at the time. So it took us a few years before we even got to this product, but now we offer travel panels for you to go out to the rodeos or camping to haul your horses and animals with you out on the road. We now provide travel panels just for that because you guys asked for it. Here we are providing these for you guys. So, all right, our next product, we had so many of you, and as you know, when you have a horse or a cow, you're gonna end up with probably a goat or a sheep or a pig of some sort. So we've started manufacturing our goat and sheep panels. As you can see here, they're a shorter panel with more rail spacings for those, or more rails for those smaller animals. Smaller pen, but you can make them, again, we can customize these. They're customizable to make as big or as small as you need. And we can even add our shade kits onto our goat and sheep panels. Pretty much everything we offer, you can add a shade of some sort to it. So goat and sheep panel, a great product for your smaller animals that we started manufacturing just about a year ago for you guys. So we hope you guys love our goat and sheep panels. And then we decided to move over to Texas, and I'm going to show you guys the one product that everybody in Texas needed.
This is Texas.
And we just started manufacturing that, so let me show you that. All right, now right when we moved over to Texas, everybody has cows here. It's a big state, a lot of livestock. Everybody needed a cattle working system. So we started manufacturing these cattle working system out of our 6-rail heavy duty panels. We added a 10-foot bow gate for a nice easy entrance. We got in our cattle working system, it's a 20x20 catch pen. Come through another 10-foot bow gate, which we didn't make before, so this is a newer product. You come in here and can separate your cows. And then we got a 90-degree sweep here that you can run your cows into an alley and to your shoe or to your trailer. Even with the slide gate up there, if you want to use your alley for your own type of doctoring, to doctor your cows in some way, however you prefer. So slide gates, bow gates, 10-foot bow gates, these smaller sweep panels, all some of our newest products here. Again, like I said, the biggest thing, we want to provide all the products that we can to help you for easy, portable, do-it-yourself, horse and livestock fencing solutions here at Seven Peaks Fence Barn. That's our goal. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in watching and learning how all these are put together, watch the next video. We have a whole bunch of do-it-yourself instructional videos on how easily these all go together, as well as a lot of customer reviews of people who've done it themselves. So thank you guys so much. Stay tuned for the next video.